Well, we got a package. Let's check it out. Okie dokie. Welcome back to another unboxing or unenveloping video. Today we have something special from McRocklin, also known as Thomas McRocklin, musician, composer, producer, product creator. I'll try to drop some links in the description, but let's go ahead and get you out of the way. Thank you. And let's get this open as well. So, gotta carefully open this here. All right, so let's see what we have here. We have two samples. These, I believe, are the McRocklin guitar pick tins, custom pick tins. So here's on the top, you can see here the McRocklin logo. And on the back, these were made in conjunction with Dunlop, Jim Dunlop, type of guitar picks. Let's see if we can get one of these open here. So you can see here's a little envelope on the inside. It does have some air holes. Let's go ahead and open up one of these. And I do have a product description. These are all under the Tortex guitar pick line. And right away I can see here they include two of the Tortex Flow Standard 1.0 millimeters. See those right there. Have that translucent, and they're very stiff. Let's see what else we got here. Looks like we have some of the Tortex Flow White series. So these are slightly different. So in this hand, we have the Tortex Flow White 1.0 millimeter hot stamp black foil. See there, the various logos. Tortex. So this is the black logo. And here we have the purple metallic version of the Tortex White 1.0 millimeter hot stamp. Purple. See the metallic finish there. Very nice. Continuing, we have a Tortex Flow Pitch Black 1.0 millimeter hot stamp white. So we got 1.0 millimeter. And then last but not least, looks like a Tortex Flow Purple. This one is slightly different. This is a 1.14 millimeter hot stamp white foil. So this is the thickest of the bunch right here. So you get a little bit of a variety right here. So see if we can arrange these a little bit here. We had started off with two of the Tortex Flow Standard 1.0 millimeters. Sorry. We also had the Tortex Flow Pitch Black 1.0 millimeter hot stamp white. And we had that's black foil. This one is the Tortex Flow White 1.0 millimeter hot stamp purple metallic foil. And then we also had Tortex Flow Pitch Black 1.0 millimeter hot stamp white foil. And again, the Tortex Flow Purple 1.14 millimeter hot stamp white foil, all under the Dunlop guitar pick family. Probably a custom setup with McRocklin, Thomas McRocklin. So pretty cool collaboration there. I'll try to drop some links in the description. This has been another unboxing video. Feel free to check out other unboxing videos on the channel. We also do show and tell videos on vintage Milsurp tools and expanded topics. We do a selection of book review, media reviews, and a series called Curios for the Curious, videos of more artsy type objects Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.